I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest forex scalping strategy out there. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 50,000 subscribers, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. We're talking about roughly about 402 likes on this video. So this is my scalping strategy. This is normally the only time I scalp. Other than this, I don't scalp, full stop. I want GBP/USD to drop. I want it to drop. I forgot to tell you why exactly I wanted GBP/USD to rise up to that level. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to zoom out to the 50-minute time frame to actually break it down for you. And then I'm going to head on over back to the 1-minute time frame to continue the video. And just so you guys know, check this out. We have a massive last uploads candle here. A huge one takes out the liquidity from the previous day, as you can see. And then we had price breaking lower and retracing, another break lower, and now it's retracing again. So this is why I still want price to drop lower. I want it to push up into this area over here, and then I want to see price stall out and then potentially drop, or potentially drop the next day. And it's just how far would it retrace before it drops. But what I want it to do first before it drops is entice some sellers into the market first before it actually drops. And so right now, what has it done? So first of all, I've seen equal highs over here, and you guys know what's going on over here. There's people that sell, okay? There's people that sell from these equal highs. There's lots of people who would have, had their confirmation for a sell during this equal high. So what they would have done is the moment price came back to tap this area 2 times, that would be good for them. They'll wait for their rejection candle, then they'll take it lower. Those people are selling right now, and they're selling early. They're selling early, okay? So what I want to see though is I want to see price push up into these up close candles over here before dropping. You always look at what is above these equal highs that price could use to reverse. And so this is why I've identified this up close candle over here, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and mark it up real quick, okay? Boom, here. And this is exactly where I want price to return to before dropping. And roughly about, I want it to get roughly about what here? About 38.06. So we're talking about like a 15 pip move, and then we're done. Right now you can see that it's moving. Right now it's enticed a lot of sellers. Sellers are getting into the market. What they're going to do is once it comes up to here again, they'll be loading up on more sell positions right here. And then what could happen is price could push down just a little bit more, okay, and then it should come up and hit the target. So I'm literally just waiting for price to come and tap this. Anywhere within here is good. What I'm doing is I'm literally trading towards stop losses. We know that there's going to be money up here. These people who are selling early, they're going to put their stop loss above these equal highs over here. Also, what else is happening? People that are selling early from here, they're going to put their stop loss above this area over here as well. So this is why I'm targeting that area specifically. Literally anywhere within this area over here is what I'm looking for right now. So like I said, look what they're doing. This is like a zone to some folk for some reason. So even if I just dropped this zone like this, did something like that, something like this is going to be a zone to them. They would have been loading up from here. Some people would have been loading up from here as well, thinking this is going to be a zone. They're going to be loading up right now, but price should literally run through this area, tap into this, potentially into this one too. This up close candle as well. So it's just a really small put move. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait for it to happen. It's doing what I expect it to happen. It's rejecting at this area over here, which is what retail traders want to see. And so it's rejecting at this area over here. But I'm just waiting for price to come up into this up close candle. And then this is where I'll close out the trade. The thought process behind this trade is I want price to reverse, but I want it to entice sellers into the market first. Got a rejection candle, then you got a break of this low, you got a retracement back into this area, okay? So this would have been like a zone for them. It's like another double confirmation. Came and tapped this area twice, traced back into the zone, and then it broke beneath the low. So the opinion created is that price is going to go lower now, but really and truly, they're just enticing sellers into the market early. So once it gets up into this area, okay, this is where I'm going to take my profit and I'm going to be done with this trade. It's just a very easy scalping strategy. You find some liquidity, in this case it's equal highs, wait for them to trade away from that, wait for them to entice the sellers into the market, and then you run out their stop losses. A very simple, easy scalping strategy. And this is because I want price to continue to drop lower. Just a quick interruption in the video. If you are getting value from this video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. Also, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Let's try and get this video to 400 likes. You can see what's happened now. So exactly like I said, this is what I wanted. I wanted price to break above these highs, stop losses above this level here. You can see we've traded beyond it now, and technically we should get up into this into this area over here, especially this one here. I should have marked this up too, but I didn't mark it up. You know, this right here, this is good as well. And so look, you're not going to push it, okay? You're not going to try and catch the whole thing, the whole move. The moment it gets up into the up close candles, then you can be closing out your trade. You can scale off your position, and then you can let the rest ride. We're running out these stop losses. I'm going to go ahead and X this out right now. Because we're just tapping into it at the moment. I'm going to update you guys in a bit. You see how it's broken the highs now? Traded higher than there and closed above those highs. The moment it closes back above those highs, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. I'm going to move to break even the moment it does that. But until then, I won't be moving my stop loss. My stop loss is really small. All I've done is I'll put my stop loss beneath this low over here. So the moment it breaks above there and closes above this level, this is when I'm going to move my stop loss into break even. And then we can look at, price, closing out the trade. I literally just go back now and I've seen that price has literally gone ballistic. It nearly stopped me out. I was literally like 1 or 2 pipettes away from being stopped out, and boom, boom, right up into this area like I said it will do. So guys, you guys have seen it now. This is the trade. Like I said, it was going to trade up into these up close candles. It's done that now. Most of the time, it won't normally come all the way back down to this place here. I didn't even get a chance to risk free the trade. It literally just went and smashed out TPs instantly. So guys, done deals. We're good. Gucci. That is the scalping strategy. When a downtrend, when you believe the retracement should be over soon, once it entices sellers into the market early, look for what they can potentially reach for to actually reverse price. See whether they produce these equal lows right before it, and then what you need to do is then you need to catch a trade right towards that area over here. So this is potentially where they're going to reverse price, and so as you can see, they've thrust it into that now, and now it's just going to probably mess around for the rest of the day. Okay, so it's a few days later now, and I just wanted to quickly show you what happens to the person who thinks, do you know what, I'm just going to hold into the trade. I'm not going to take no profit. I'm good. 15 pips isn't enough right now, and you're a scalper. This is what's going to happen to you. It's going to get into your zone, get into your area like it's done here, but eventually it's going to come and take you out. As you can see, it would have taken you out. It would have taken you out. So this is why, as a scalper, okay, I'm not a scalper, but I do scalp some trades. But as a scalper, you need to be quick to make decisions. Don't be hesitant. If it gets into your zone, you're taking partials, you're taking some kind of profit off the table, or you're closing off the whole thing. Don't be that scalper who waits and sees, no, I want to see if I can get a big move. It's such a big push. This is such a big push. Price is going to be so bullish from now. Nope. As you can see, nope. It just continues to shoot down, as you can see. Anyway guys, that's the scalping strategy done. Quick 14 pips or 15 pips right here. Hopefully you guys liked that video. It was just a nice quick video showing you my quick and easy scalping strategy. If you did like the video, 400 likes in the video, let's go. If you are down for mentorship, you want to get like a deeper insight with institutional concepts and smart money concepts, then hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is @MHU_FX. Let's go.